You've been in an accident. You call your insurance company to start the claim. Almost immediately, you're recommended the name of a preferred repair shop. You may even hear things like, "Your warranty may not apply." You could have out-of-pocket costs. The repair may take longer. But here's the question. You do. Not the insurance company. Your vehicle is your investment. And today's vehicles are more complex than ever. Proper repairs require training, equipment, certifications, and following manufacturer repair procedures. That's why your decision should be based on the shop's qualifications and reputation, not simply whether they're on an insurance company's list. Remember, the insurance company pays the claim. You choose who repairs your vehicle. Know your rights. Choose the repair shop that gives you confidence, quality, and peace of mind. Don't let the insurance company make that decision for you.